If you work between multiple computers, phones, and other devices, you may agree it can be hard to keep track of all your files. Dropbox is a service that stores your photos, videos, and documents online and lets you access them from any of your devices. If you currently use a flash drive to move your files around between devices, you can think of Dropbox as a special kind of flash drive in the cloud, accessible anywhere you have an internet connection. When we use the term in the cloud these days, we're effectively saying that our files are stored in the internet as opposed to on our actual computer. Dropbox also keeps your files safe if you lose or damage your computer and makes it easy to share and collaborate on files with others. To see how we can use Dropbox, let's install it on our computer. Head to Dropbox.com and follow the on-screen prompts to install Dropbox on your PC or Mac. You can also install Dropbox on your phone or mobile device using your App Store. You'll want to install Dropbox on every device that you use to access your files. Once you've installed Dropbox, you'll need to create a Dropbox account, which you'll be asked to do after installing Dropbox on your computer. Fill in your necessary details and then, when asked, select the 2 gig free account. You'll see that Dropbox also has paid plans for larger storage packages and teams, but you can create a free personal account to get started. Next, click Install and continue to click through the introductory tour slides. You'll see how Dropbox pinpoints where the Dropbox icon lives. This can be used as a shortcut to access your Dropbox at any time. Once you've installed Dropbox, you'll notice a Dropbox icon will appear amongst your other folders on your computer. On Windows 7, this icon is shown in your Favorites section when you open up Windows Explorer. You can use this folder just like any other folder on your computer. You can drag files or other folders into your Dropbox or even save documents straight to your Dropbox from programs like Microsoft Word. We're going to look at how Dropbox can be useful for collaboration amongst teams, for personal storage, and for backup of files. One of the main benefits of using Dropbox is that it makes it easy to collaborate on different files with others wherever they may be in the world. If you're starting a new group project, you might like to create a new Dropbox folder and share access to the folder with others in your team. By default, all of your files are private and only visible to you, but you can share a particular file or folder with others by right-clicking on it from your Dropbox folder, selecting Dropbox, and share this folder. This will take you to the Dropbox website, where you can give others permission to view or edit particular files. The first time you visit the Dropbox website, you'll be asked to verify your account. Click Send Email and click on the link in your email to authenticate your account. Once this is done, you will be able to easily share your files and folders with collaborators. Invitees will receive an email invitation from Dropbox, which will direct them to the shared folder, giving them access to all shared files. Whenever a team member works on or edits a shared file, all saved changes will automatically be kept up to date between everyone's computers. You can tell all files are updated and in sync when the Dropbox icon is displaying the green tick. Whenever you add something to your Dropbox, it will automatically be uploaded and stored securely in the cloud. This means you can have access to all your Dropbox files from all of your devices or by visiting Dropbox.com from any computer. This can be particularly useful when working with mobile devices, which may not have enough internal storage for all of your pictures, videos, or other files. One thing to keep in mind is that a free Dropbox account comes with a limited amount of storage space. If you want to store all your files in the cloud, you might need to eventually upgrade to a paid Dropbox plan with more storage space. Another main benefit of using Dropbox is that all of the files in your Dropbox folder are automatically backed up for safety. That means if you lose access to your computer, your data will still be accessible just by signing into Dropbox.com from a new computer. What's more, Dropbox keeps copies of all of the different versions of your files for 30 days. That means if you accidentally overwrite or delete something important, you can still recover the lost information. You can do this by right-clicking the file you're looking for and clicking Previous Versions. Here we've looked at some of the many benefits of using cloud storage and collaboration tools such as Dropbox. Other alternative tools include Google Drive, Microsoft SkyDrive or Box.net, to name a few. With 2 gigs of free storage space, Dropbox is a great way to get started with cloud storage. But whichever solution you use, you'll enjoy the benefits of having your documents stored in the cloud and accessible from wherever you are.